So I just moved into an amazing new house, but there are so many areas that need weeding. So I'm trying to decide, let my gardener use Roundup or come up with a DIY. If you know me, you know I'm not gonna let my gardener use Roundup because that is so bad for you, for your period and your hormones. Hi, Maisie. It's cancer causing. It increases the risk for breast cancer. And glycophosphates, which are the chemical in Roundup, are considered forever chemicals, which means they almost never go away. So instead, let's make a DIY weed killer that actually works, doesn't hurt the rest of your garden, the planet, your hormones, or give you cancer. How's that sound? Let's do it. To make this, you just need 3 things. You need 45% vinegar, some salt, some dish soap, and a little water bottle. You don't want to just use like kitchen vinegar. It's only 5%. It's not going to be strong enough to get the job done. We want to use one that's 45%. You can get this on Amazon and it's about 20 bucks, but it also works really, really good diluted as a cleaning agent. Okay, so start with 2.5 tablespoons of salt. You want to put that in first so that the vinegar can pour on top of it and dissolve. You'll let this wait for about 20 minutes to make sure all the salt is dissolved. Otherwise, it's going to clog your sprayer. Okay, next we're going to add a good squeeze of dish soap. I would say that's about a teaspoon-ish. And then we're going to add the vinegar. You're going to add about 20 ounces of vinegar to this. I'm not going to show you how to do this because I don't have any gloves. And actually, this concentration of vinegar can burn you, so I want to be extra careful. All you're going to do is pour it into your bottle and let it sit for 20 minutes. Also, be careful of the fumes. They are quite strong and probably can irritate your nasal cavity too. I'm really wishing that I had some gloves. I got a tiny bit on a little hangnail and it hurts like a moaf. So let's go outside and look at my weeds. So you see, I have this area and this area that I want to get rid of all the weeds, but I don't want to hurt my soil or anything else that I want to grow. The trick here is to put it right on the leaves and nothing else. I'm not going to lie to you, Roundup works better, but it is so bad for you, the planet, and your fertility. You really want to avoid it. So it just takes a little extra step. What you're going to do is spray it right on the leaves, like I said before, and then wait a few days, and if anything tries to come back, spray it again. You can take this exact recipe and make it larger. Like the original recipe that I found was a gallon of the 45% vinegar and a cup of salt and 2 big squeezes of dish soap. So if you have a big area you want to cover, you can put it in one of those things that you can get at Home Depot or whatever. If you're super into low tox, no tox living, cleaning up your environment for better hormones, better fertility, and better planet, head over to the Clean Cabinet. It's thecleancabinet.com, where you can source everything at super affordable prices that will help you to have a better health and better planet. Let me know your questions in the comments. I'll meet you there.